Hi everyone and welcome to today's Qigong practice. This is a full body deep stretch routine, so go ahead and get ready and let's begin. Stand up nice and tall, soften your knees and drop your tailbone down to lengthen through your spine. Relax your neck and shoulders. Go ahead and take a nice full breath in through the nose. Exhale out the mouth. Breathe in. Keep your breath slow and steady, even inhalations, even exhalations. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. And breathe out. Then go ahead and raise your hands up. Open your chest to the sky. Breathe in. Exhale as you tuck your tailbone in, round your back. Inhale as you open. Exhale as you squeeze. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Let your arms relax down. Next, open your hands to the side, palms facing down. Tilt your head to one side and simply roll back and forth. Be gentle to yourself, to your neck, simply lengthening through the side of your neck. Then release and do the same on the other side. Come back to center and relax. Then take a nice full breath in through the nose again. Exhale down. Keep breathing. Open your lungs, open your rib cage. Exhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Relax your neck and shoulders. Relax your hips. Soften your entire body. Then go ahead and raise your hands to the chest. Fingers looking at each other. Open your shoulder blades and stretch forward. Release. Hands to the chest. Open to the side. Lengthen and stretch through your fingers. Then soften. Turn. Palms facing up. Open your chest this way. Release. Go all the way up. Turn and press upwards. Come up on your toes and lengthen through your entire body. Release and let the wave of relaxation wash over your entire body. Softening, relaxing. Then slowly lean forward from your hips. Spiral your hands to make into a loose fist and slowly raise up. Open your chest. Squeeze your shoulder blades nice and tight. Release. Turn to the left. Open across. And turn behind, twisting your entire body, starting from your legs. Release the position. Come back to center and stretch upwards. The other hand slide to the lower back. Lean to the side. Open, open, open. Release. Same here. Come back to center. Stretch upwards one more time and then soften. Relax your shoulder, your elbow, your wrist. Lean forward, following the hand. Place your hand on your right knee and turn away, lengthening through the back. Release. Turn to the other side. Come back. Let both arms relax in front of you. And then repeat the movement. Spiral the hands first. Open the chest. Squeeze the shoulder blades. Release as you open. Go all the way to the back to open the chest even more. Come back to center. Nice straight line here, coming down from your palm to your heel. Soften as you lean to the side. Same here. Open, open, open. Come back. Remember, every time you release, relax every muscle. Then let your arm go down. Following the hand, bend forward. Place your hand on one knee and turn away first. Come back to center. Turn to the other side. Release. Relax your upper back, lengthen through your spine. Slowly come up, both hands at the waist. From here, slowly raise your left hand up. Lean to the side first, then turn your torso to reach for the hand. Bend your knees and squat down. Bring both hands by the side. Slowly raise up and repeat the movement. Stretch your right hand up, lean, then turn to the side. Be gentle, don't push or strain too much. Keep all the movement as natural as possible. Repeat the movement one more time. Reach forward, release as you go down. Open the hands and slowly raise up. One more time. Open, lean to the side, stretch, and slowly go down. Both hands by the side, pull as you bring the hands at the waist, release, and soften your entire body. Then go ahead and shake off your legs and arms, rub your hands together. And bring your feet together. Nice, good posture here. Relax and soften. And then we're gonna shift the focus to the lower body. Squat down as you keep your knees closer together. And then step to the back. Lengthen through the front leg. Keep both feet flat on the ground. Come back to center and release. Squat down. Step out with the other leg. Shift the weight to the back to lengthen through the front. Come back to center. Keep your balance and relax. We do one more. Step back. This time, lift your foot off the ground, stretching the back of the leg. Release and come back. One more time. Step back. Release and come back to center. Again, relax, soften your entire body, step out shoulder width apart and take a nice full breath in to relax and soften. Breathe in. Breathe out. Nice full breath here to open, taking as much energy as you need. Soften, relax, let it flow down your body. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax your hands by the side. Then go ahead and shake. Shaking off any tension if you have any. Loosen up the entire body. Relax and open the joints. Relax, relax, relax. Very good. Shake it off, rub your hands together. And then we're going to tap the sides of the legs. Go ahead, starting at your hips, go down all the way to your ankles. One more time. Very, very good. Take a moment here to notice how your body feels. Lots of space, lots of awareness, comfort and ease in your body. And to finish, go ahead and take a nice full breath in through the nose. Exhale down the center. Bring your hands on your lower abdomen. Let them rest there. Feel the warmth. Bring your feet together. Relax and soften your entire body. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoy this routine. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and enjoy free Qigong videos on YouTube. Enjoy the rest of your day and see you soon.